Hi, everybody. Happy Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Melissa O'Connell, your Lexus technology specialist, and today we are going to talk about how to customize the language on your display and the multimedia system for Lexus Interface. We are in a 2022 Lexus NX. We currently do not have a driver profile connected. This is something that's done in the general settings for the vehicle. In our area, the vehicle is compatible with English, Spanish, and French. So if you are multilingual and you would prefer to interact with your vehicle in Spanish or French rather than English, then you can make that change. That means you can give voice commands. Your display information will all be in the selected language. And then when the vehicle speaks back to you, it's going to sound even better. Let's check it out. These steps will apply to all Lexus Interface vehicles. You'll select Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen and scroll to General. Then select Language and Units. Open the menu for the language selection and choose from the list of available and compatible languages for your vehicle. We'll select Spanish. Once you click OK, you'll see the screen change to the language that you've selected. When you make a change to the language selection through the main screen, you'll also see that your multi-information display language has been updated. And now you can operate your vehicle in that language. Hola Lexus, cambiar la temperatura a 70 grados.
Ajustando la temperatura del asiento del conductor a 70 grados.
Et voila! Okay, since my accent is not amazing and my Spanish relies very heavily on Google Translate, I'm going to have my friend Abraham come and help us out.
Hola a todos, mi nombre es Abraham y estaré ayudándoles con unos tips de tecnología en español. Hey Lexus, quiero escuchar 99.1 FM.
Sintonizando FM 99.1.
Perfecto.
Will you do a voice command for us for navigation? Okay, so what if we wanted to go to Starbucks? In English, I would say, hey, the car's name, get directions to Starbucks. So can you say that for us in Spanish?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey Lexus, quiero dirección para Starbucks.
Encontré 15 resultados. El primero es Starbucks en 500 Rayford Road. ¿Le gustaría ir a ese?
Awesome! So she gives us a list. Now I'm noticing some things in Spanish, some things in English. So things that won't translate just can't. That data is coming from somewhere else. But anywhere that it can, that's awesome. So we'll just click and start our route to Starbucks. Vamos a la Starbucks.
Vamos al Starbucks.
Siga hacia la ruta resaltada.
You
Let's
sound
go.
so much better than I do. Thank you so much for helping us. Okay, so once we have a route programmed in English, we can say cancel route, delete destination. So can you cancel our route for us in Spanish, en español?
Definitely. Hey Lexus, cancela la ruta.
Cancelando el viaje.
So cool.
Perfecto.
Muchas gracias, Abraham. Oh, thank you so much. You're such a good teacher. I'm so glad to have Abraham with us here in the Lexus Virtual Classroom. Adios, everybody.
Adios.
Thank you so much for visiting us at the Lexus Virtual Classroom.
Muchas gracias a todos.
We'll see you next time. Ay, ay, ay. Muchas gracias, Abraham, por ayudar.
Yes.
No.
Perfect.
No.
Yes, you say it perfect.
Oh, I need to get better. So I will keep working. Will you keep working with us?
That's perfect. I'm
Okay.
definitely willing.
Yay!